By way of example, Stephen, here we are in my car. This is a Vaisala device calibrated to within an inch of its life. I'll now start the engine with the heat pump on, and if I'm not mistaken, we should see a fairly significant reduction. It's currently on heat. The outside temperature is 14, and I have the car climate control set to 20. I'll turn the fan up to make things go faster. And I'll hold it in the airstream again to try and speed up the reaction. I think this effect happens both with cooling and with heating. It's been my experience anyway. See, we've dropped from 70 and we're at 57 and falling fairly quickly. I'll give it a minute just to stabilize. Interesting how the car climate control has fairly accurately come to the set point of 20, which is quite impressive. We'll see how far it drops away, but it's reasonably impressive that it can do that. Still falling, obviously. Oh yeah, just to show you, there's the 20-degree set point with the AC on. Still falling. Starting to level out. So we've certainly dropped 10%. I've noticed on cooling, the humidity tends to drop much lower. And again, you'll know more about entropy and all those things. In fact, if I switch this instrument, I can show the max and minimum. So over the last time period, the max was 75 humidity. The low was 49 and the average was 61. Temperature, yeah, you can see that there. But I can switch over further. I should be able to get entropy. There we go. So at the current setting in the car, it's still dropping the humidity. That's interesting. At 20.9 degrees C, we've got an RH of 47.1. The dew point is 9.1 and falling slowly, I think. The wet bulb temperature, which frankly I don't understand properly, 14.1 degrees C. The absolute humidity is 8.48 grams per cubic meter, and I can't remember is it specific humidity, 7.08 grams per kilogram, and the enthalpy, which I fully don't understand but I suspect you do, is 39.16. If we just compare that to outside, just for tish and giggles, because it'll take a while to settle back down. So it'll start climbing again straight away, while the temperature will fall. So we're down to 18 degrees and falling. And the dew point, of course, has come up a lot. So we'll get free water condensing at 11, maybe 12 degrees C. And the humidity's up to 70.